Hello everyone. Today's video I've got a supplemental restraint light, airbag light on a 2012 F150. I pulled the code. It's a B0020 This one says left side airbag deployment control. So I'm in the back here behind the driver's side front seat. So let's check this thing out. Go in the restraint control module, B002013, go to pinpoint test F. And I want you to go down. Was it retrieved? Let's just go down here and look at the PID. That's all I'm concerned. Okay, so we want to look at the deploy 10R PID. That's going to be our PID for the driver's side airbag. On the side of the seat, it's probably right here. So deploy 10R PID. Deploy 10R. Go ahead and graph this. And I'm going to come down to probably about 70 ohms. Go with that. Graph. Okay, it says 3.8 ohms. So it looks like it's working. We're just going to start wiggling. Yeah, it looks like the resistance is changing. Oh. There we go. We push on the wires right there. You can see it opens up the circuit. The resistance goes from 2.9 ohms to 65 ohms. So the problem is up here somewhere. Usually they're down here at the connectors. This one is not. There we go. Oh, I think I see the problem right there. So there's our problem right there. Bolts pinched on the wires. Or the bolts pinched the wires. Yeah, there it is right there. Wire's cut. I think the other one's still good. So it says we got 70 ohms now. Yep. Looks like it's right there, so we gotta fix that. Looks pretty easy. I think I'll disconnect the connector and pull it up through the seat, repair it and drop it back down. Let's pull this connector apart. There we go. See if I can fish it up through here. It's tight. Yeah, it just rubbed right on the seat pivot bolt. So let's get it repaired. I'm just going to install a couple of small butt connectors and some ES1 heat shrink tubing. Should be good enough. Pull back some of this insulation. We're going to do the purple wire too, because I think it's probably cracked. We'll just cut a small section out. Small section out of each one. Strip these. Crimp a connector on. Oops, almost forgot the heat shrink again. Go until I get some glue coming out of them. There we go. And I'm going to put some friction tape around it. That looks like a pretty nice repair. Just slide the connector back down. I cut the retainer off since the wire's a little shorter. I'm going to run it on the other side of this bolt sticking out. We'll just tape it down a little further. Still got plenty to connect there. Something like that. There. Everything's all sticky. Put it like that. Yeah, that should work good. Good quality repair. We did check though. See what the graph says. And what do we got? 2.3 ohms. Looks like we're good. Let's see what some of these others are. So 10 is 2.3. Yeah, it looks like 11, 13, and 14 are 2.3, so it's matching. Do a little wiggle. Yep, this one is fixed. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.